Hi guys, I am super excited for today's video because I actually haven't been back to an IKEA in a few months, and I know you guys love these videos. They're my absolute favorite to film, and if you guys weren't aware, if you guys haven't seen my past few videos, I am moving. So I'm picking out all new furniture today. I don't think I'm actually going to purchase any of it because we do have like Black Friday and a bunch of sales coming up. So the purpose of today's shopping trip is to basically create a list on my shop tagger just so I can monitor if things go on sale or not. So if you guys don't know what Shop Tagger is, I've talked about them in several videos before. They are one of the sponsors of this channel, and they have just saved me thousands of dollars over the years. It is basically a free web app you can install on your computer, and when you're browsing and shopping on different stores online, you can just click your little Shop Tagger button and add the item to your little Shop Tagger collection, and it's gonna inform you if the item goes on sale, or if it's out of stock, it'll let you know when it comes back in stock. It will send you like an email notification, or you can get the app, which is also free to download, which is what I'll probably use today. And you can just find the item online and add it there, and then you'll get a push notification to your phone. So I'm also excited to do this because I always get a ton of questions after I leave, like, hey, what was that item you picked out? So what I'm gonna do today is create a list of everything that I'm gonna get for my apartment, and then you can add them to your shop tagger. So if they go on sale, we can both save money. Again, I can't stress enough how important it is to use shop tagger if you are trying to save money. So I will have it linked in the description box down below, as well as that link to the list for you guys to see everything that I'm picking out. So I'm super excited, and let's head on inside. I'm in love with these vases, but again, something that could break in the move, but I definitely want to pick these up. They have like dents in them. Really cool. I'm actually going to have a patio at my new place, so I'm thinking of setting it up somewhat like this with like the wood, and then I'm definitely going to do lights like this. But this is like just good inspo. Also, for the first time, I'm gonna have a dining area. I don't have a dining area or dining table where I live now, and I really like the idea of the wood with the clear, but I was also thinking of doing a white table with the wood. But I love this little setup they have here. This chair is definitely new. It's really cool. Definitely don't know how comfortable it is, but cool. $69.99. Definitely probably gonna finally get this shelving unit, but the larger one, since I'll have a much bigger living room. It's a really good like bookcase or to stack decor on. Okay guys, this is the best mirror you could ever purchase. It's only $129. It's the Hovet from IKEA, and I have it currently, but I don't want to pack it because I think that the movers will break it. So I'm gonna sell my current one and then obviously pick up, I think, 2 of these, because side by side like this next to my dining table I think will look so good and really just like brighten up the room. But like, look, full outfit of the day, and then it's like that much higher. It's a really great size. This is a really cute little setup, especially if you don't have a lot of space for like makeup or like little toiletries. These are cute. The drawers. I love these all white bathrooms with these mirrors that they have here. This needs to be like my future bathroom. Okay, this is one of the options for the chairs, but they're $100, and I don't think that this is that sturdy. It's very wobbly, but it looks cute. This is the new chair, and it's probably my favorite, but they're $159 each, and I would need 4. So I'm just kind of looking for something a little bit cheaper, so I don't want to spend that much money on just like IKEA chairs. For a limited time, IKEA family. This is the second table option for $199, and I just thought that this would be cute and plain with like really boho chairs, but they don't have anything I really like that much. I know I saw this last time, but I'm loving it even more. It's a buffet. It's just a little expensive, $449, but this would be good for, not sure how you open these. Oh, they pop open. But this would be good to put the TV on top of, but originally it's like obviously a buffet. Still kind of a lot for what it is. but I love the wood finish on that. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I really want these like Sherpa pillows. They're $20 each, but which I don't think is too bad. And they're just so cozy and comfy looking. I kind of want to put these on my bed. I might get 2 of these. Yikes. Already buying when I'm not supposed to be, but I think I need these. Also probably gonna pick up some of these glasses when I move because they're really good quality. They're not super pricey for what they are. And then even these are cute. I know they don't like perfectly match, but I think that that looks cool. But they're like kind of different. I don't think I've seen these before, and they're $7.99 for a 6-pack. Look how pretty these are. They're really pretty. I actually might get these. Ooh, this is new, and it's like a large linen pillow for only $14.99. That's really good. I'm also going to get one of these to put above my dining room, and then I'm just going to spray paint it black. Not sure how much these are. Oh, they're $69.99. Kind of pricey, but also not, considering how much these cost at other places. I'm also 100% getting some of these for my recycling. They like look super cool. You can stack them on top of each other, and then I can just put all of my recycling in these as opposed to having like an ugly like blue trash can. This is also something that's on my wish list because I want to get a clothing rack, and I think I've decided on these hangers for the clothing rack. I love them. And I'm still so undecided on which clothing rack. So the black one is a little bit longer, definitely more sturdy. But then this one, the white one's only $9.99. And then the black one is $50. Help me in the comments down below. Should I get the white one or the black one? It's a huge price difference, I think. But I guess it all depends. I could also just spray paint this black and it's $10. It couldn't possibly turn out that bad. These are the shoe racks that I currently use, and I need to pick up 2 more because they look so good in my closet, and I'm gonna have a little bit more space. So 2 more of these, and they're called the adorable. They had larger ones last season, and these are like little mini ones. I think they're $19.99, or are they $14.99? Probably $14.99, but they're super cute. I'm gonna definitely get a few of these to put on my balcony. I might get this display box for my bathroom. You can put like all your toiletries in it, and it's like so cool. It's pretty sturdy and durable, so I think that price is good. And then I want this hand decoration, but again, I'm not supposed to be buying anything in here. Very tempted. So I am back from IKEA, and I actually purchased absolutely nothing, which feels so good just because I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. They have all of the holiday stuff out. They have a ton of new stuff that I really wanted, and some things that I honestly think are gonna be perfect for my new place. But again, I can't justify like buying them now and then like having to move them. As you guys know, I really don't wanna have to pay for like movers. I wanna be able to just like be able to move everything myself and not have a ton of like huge things to move. So that is the goal, and so far I've been able to stick to it. So again, I'm gonna make that little list and share with you guys some of the things that I saw today that I told you guys I wanted to pick up. So if you're interested in any of those items, it'll be in my little shop tagger list down below. And again, if you haven't already downloaded shop tagger, download it, especially if you want to keep your eye on any of these things. I know they actually haven't announced what exactly the Black Friday sales are at IKEA, but I have read different articles that said a couple of different ideas. And one of the ideas is that every $100 you spend, you're gonna get 20 or 25 off. So definitely hold off on buying these pieces and wait until Black Friday. Save them to your shop tagger and see if they go on sale. So the links to download that as well as the list so you guys can see everything I was looking at today will be in the description box down below. And you will definitely be seeing another IKEA shop with me soon because that particular IKEA I felt like didn't have some of the items that were on my wish list. So I'll definitely need to go to look at another one to make sure that those are the items that I do want to purchase for my new place. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn my notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!